Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Inzamam from Saimedha Ecet Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad is providing free of cost YouTube video lectures for previous Ecet examination questions from the effective faculties of Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. My dear students, in these video lectures every single day for all the branches EC, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and Computers. For all the branches every single day we are updating PYQs, previous Ecet examination questions. So what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates. Daily update చేస్తున్నాం. My dear students, in the era of where people are making everything as a business, Saimedha Koti Hyderabad is giving the coaching for online Ecet 2024-2025, offline Ecet 2024-2025 కి మనం కోచింగ్ అనేది న్యూ అడ్మిషన్ న్యూ బ్యాచెస్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈ రోజుల్లో where 10th class admissions are going to be for month, effective faculties లో home tuitions కూడా పర్ మంత్ ఎవరైనా సరే 1000 రూపీస్ కంటే తక్కువ అంటే ఛార్జ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్, రెప్యూటెడ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ లో రెప్యూటెడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ తో మీరు 10th క్లాస్ హోమ్ ట్యూషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలన్నా సరే పర్ మంత్ దే విల్ బి డెఫినెట్లీ ఛార్జింగ్ మినిమం 1000 రూపీస్. అలాంటిది in and around for 1 year you will be getting a payment of around how much? 12,000. For SSC home tuition itself, if you are paying 12,000, guys, Saimedha Koti Hyderabad is providing 1.5 year coaching, 2 years coaching, 3 years coaching. Saimedha Koti Hyderabad lo coaching anedi first year diploma నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ డిప్లొమా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ డిప్లొమా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. 3 years కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, 2 years కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, 1 year కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటిది టోటల్ కోర్సెస్ కూడా ఎప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఫీజు అనేది 10,000 దాటలేదు. అందులో కూడా మళ్ళీ మెరిట్ పెట్టి పర్సెంటేజెస్ వైజ్ కన్సెషన్స్ పెట్టి ఎకనామికల్లీ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మినిమం ఫీజెస్ తో మాక్సిమం కన్సెషన్స్ తో సాయిమేధ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఈస్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కోచింగ్. రిజల్ట్స్ విషయానికి వస్తే యు నో ఇట్ గైస్, ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ ఇయర్ టాప్ 5 బ్రాంచెస్ లో స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్స్ తో పాటుగా మాక్సిమం ర్యాంక్స్ వాస్ సెక్యూర్డ్ బై సాయిమేధ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఓన్లీ. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Ecet 2024, Ecet 2025, Ecet 2026 coaching has been started in the Saimedha Koti Hyderabad. ఎఫెక్టివ్ కోచింగ్ ఎక్కడైనా ఉంది, మనకు ఎక్స్పర్టైజ్డ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ నుంచి ఎక్కడైనా కోచింగ్ ఉంది, డిజిటల్లీ రికార్డెడ్ వీడియో క్లాసెస్ ఒక సిస్టమాటిక్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో కోచింగ్ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ బోత్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్లైన్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యూ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్, గైస్? Download the app saimedha.in and press the bell icon to be notified for the every updates. Every single day we are going to be updating in the YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to be notified, download the app saimedha.in and scrolling on the mobile numbers ki contact journey and join now in Saimedha Koti Hyderabad. At the end of the video I'll come back one more time for some more information. Till then, guys, watch the video now.
Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Inatullah from the Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So in this video we are going to discuss the previous year questions, previous Ecet questions of the topic torsion in shafts of the strength of materials. Okay, so as we have completed all the remaining topics, now this is the last chapter we are having in the strength of materials. We are having it as torsion in shafts. Let us complete these questions also. Okay, now what is the first question we are having? A solid steel shaft, modulus of rigidity G is equals to 80 kilonewton per mm square of 80 mm diameter is subjected to twisting moment. Okay, if the shearing stress is not to exceed 50 newton per mm square, the angle of twist in radian for the length of 8 meter. We have to find out angle of twist over here. So first let us write the given data what we are having. Okay, what is the given data we are having over here? It is G value. First let us write the G value. G value is equals to 80 kilonewton per mm square. Okay, so mm square means it can be as it is only. Kilo will convert over here. If you are converting this part, 80 into kilo means we are taking it as 10 cube newton per mm square. Okay, newton per mm square. Now next part what is given over here? Diameter is given. Diameter it is equals to 80. Okay, 80 we are having over here, 80 mm we have taken. Then it is equals to, we have to find out the radius for this. Radius means what we can do now? D by 2 is equals to 80 by 2 means 40. So our value we are taking it as 40 mm. Okay, what we have taken? 40 mm we have taken. Now next part what we are taking over here, we are having it as a shear stress. If you are having shear stress it is equals to 50 Newton per mm square. Okay, so it is in newtons and mm square is correct only. Now next part, length. length we are having it as 8 meter. 8 meter is equals to what we can write, 8 into 10 cube mm. Okay, 8 into 10 cube mm. This part we have taken over here. So all the given data we have written. Now what we have to find, actually angle of twist we have to find out. So what is the main formula, general formula we are having means T by J is equals to tau by R is equals to G theta by L. What we are having? G theta by L. Now according to the given data, let us check with which case we have to take over here. We are having G value, we have to find out theta value, L value we are having, tau value we are having, R value we are having. Okay, so let us take this case over here. If you are taking this case, now if you want to find out theta value, so theta is equals to what we can write now? Theta is equals to tau into L divided by R into G. Okay, now let us substitute all the values what we are having. Tau value is equals to what we are having, 50 into L value what we are having, 8 into 10 cube, 8 into 10 cube. Okay, now divided by what is R value we are having, 40 into, now what is G value we are having? G value is equals to 80 into 10 cube. Okay, 80 into 10 cube. All these values we have substituted. Now let us do the simplification. 10 cube gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 8 gets cancelled. It is equals to 5 by 40. 5 by 40, if you are dividing this part, what you are getting the answer? 0.125. Okay, what we are getting the answer? 0.125 means a third option. Third option is correct. Now let us go with the next question. A solid steel rod of diameter 50 mm is to transmit a torque of 200 Newton meter. What is the maximum stress we are having over here? Okay. Now first let us write the given data what we are having. Diameter is equals to 50 mm. Okay. Diameter is equals to 50 mm we have taken over here. Now next part what we are doing means what we are having, torque we are having over here. Torque is equals to 200 Newton meter. So this part is in meter. So let us try to convert the diameter also in meters only. So first let us write the radius what we are having. Radius it is equals to 50 by 2. 50 by 2 means 25 mm. Okay, like this we have taken over here. So if you want to convert from mm to meter means what we can write over here, this diameter we can write it as diameter is equals to 50 into 10 power minus 3 meters, and radius it is equals to 25 into 10 power minus 3 meters. Okay, this part we have taken over here. Now what we have to find, actually maximum stress means according to this torque, torsion, twisting moment, we have to find out the maximum stress over here. So what is the formula we are having over here? T by J is equals to tau by R is equals to G theta by L. Okay, now again from this part, which case we have to take, first case or second case, like that. Now we are not having any theta value, L value, G value we are not having. So let us take this case over here. Okay, this case, T by J is equals to tau by R. If you are taking this part, now T by J is equals to tau by R, like this we have taken. Now what we have to find in this, we have to find out the maximum stress. If you want to find out maximum stress over here, so tau is equals to T into R divided by J. Now let us substitute the values. T value what we are having, T value is equals to 200 into, what is R value we are having, R value is equals to 25 into 10 power minus 3, okay, divided by, now what is J value we are having, J value, what is J formula? J is equals to pi d power 4 divided by 32. Okay, so let us write over here. So we are writing this part as pi divided by 32 into d power 4. D power 4 means what we are having over here? 50 into 10 power minus 3 whole power 4. Okay, this part we have taken. Now this 32 will goes to the numerator. Again pi means what we are having, 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means that also will goes to the numerator. Means 7 into 32 into 200 into 25 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, what is left over here, 22 into 50 is 4 times. So 50 into 50 into 50 into 50, 4 times we have taken, into 10 power, 3 4 the 12 means 10 power minus 12. Okay, like this we have taken over here. So what will happen means, listen carefully now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we are having, 4 zeros. If you are cancelling this 4 zeros means it will become what? 10 power 8. Okay, this part is 10 power 8. Now next one. What we are having this part over here, 10 power minus 3 we are having, 2 zeros gets cancelled, 10 power minus 1. So like this, all this cancellation we have to do over here. After getting this cancellation, what we are getting the answer? So it will be approximately equals to 8.1 megapascal. Okay, means actually you are getting Newton per meter square over there. Okay, Newton per meter square will be getting. But how we have to decide this mega means we have to take it as 10 power 6. What we have to take? 10 power 6 we have to take, then 10 power 6 will become what? A mega. So we have to convert that part into mega and you will be getting the answer as a 8.1 megapascal. Okay, so this second option is correct. Now let us go with the third question over here. If a solid circular steel shaft of 2 cm diameter is subjected to a permissible shear stress of 10 kN per centimeter square, then the value of twisting moment. Again let us apply the same formula what we are having over here. Diameter we are having, diameter is equals to 2 centimeter. So if you are checking the options, we are having centimeter only. So no need to change the units over here. Now next what we are having, shear stress. Shear stress it is equals to 10 kilonewton per centimeter square. Means again this options we are having it is in kilo only. So again no need to convert the units. Okay, so we are having d and tau. Now what we have to find, a twisting moment, means we are having the formula as T by J is equals to tau by R is equals to G theta by L. Now again we are not having any G value, theta value, L value, means we are taking only this case over here. If you are taking this case, now what we can do? T by J is equals to tau by R. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out a T value. If you are finding T value means it will be tau into J divided by R. So T is equals to, what is tau value we are having? 10 into J formula just now we have taken what we are having, pi d power 4 divided by 32. Okay, we have taken this part. So we are taking this one, pi divided by 32 into d power 4. What is d value we are having? 2 power 4. Okay. Now next part, what is R value we are having? R value means half of this one. R value is equals to 1. So we have taken 1 over here. Okay. Now again, if you are converting this pi, means what will happen? T is equals to 10 into 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 32 into 1 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means what we are having over here? 16. Okay. This part you will be getting the answer over here after simplification of this. After simplification of this we are getting the answer. But if you are seeing the options over here, in the options it is given pi only. With in terms of pi it is given, so no need to convert this pi over here. So what we can do means pi we are writing as it is. 2 power 4 is what? 16. So 16 ones are 16 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So what is the answer we are getting? 5 pi. Okay. So that's why I am telling you again and again, before simplification first to check the options what we are having. Depending upon the options we have to simplify that part. Okay. So what is the final answer? We are getting 5 pi kilonewton centimeter. First option is correct. Now next one, a key of 14 mm width, 9 mm height and 100 mm length is mounted on a shaft of 50 mm diameter. If allowable shear stress for the key material is 50 megapascal, what is the maximum torque that can be transmitted? Actually this key question, it is from design of machine elements, DME question we are having over here. First let us try to solve over here. Torque, we are having the formula for this part is torque is equals to, we are having length into width into stress, we are having shear stress into radius, means d by 2. Okay, this is the formula we are having over here. Now let us try to substitute the values. It is equals to, what is length value we are having? Length is 100 mm. If you are seeing the question options over here, options is given in what? Meter. Means let us convert that. If you are converting this mm into meter means what we can write is 0.1. Okay, into 0.1 we have taken, or else let us do one thing. 100 divided by 1000. Okay, like this we have taken into. Now what is the width we are having over here? Width is 14, means 14 divided by 1000. Okay, this part we have taken into. Now what is tau we are having over here? Tau is a 50 megapascal. 50 megapascal. 50 megapascal means what we can write over here? 50 into 10 power 6. 10 power 6 then it will be Newton per meter square. Okay, this one is correct. Now into, now what is diameter we are having? Diameter, where is the diameter? 50 mm is given. So again we have to convert this part also. So 50, now if you are converting into meter means divided by 1000, okay, into what we are having, d by 2, okay, like this we have taken. Now let us try to cancel this one what we are having over here. So this 3 zeros, this 3 zeros means this part and 10 power 6 gets cancelled, and this 3 zeros and this 3 zeros gets cancelled over here. Now what is leftover part we are having? 2 ones are 2 25s are. So 25 into 5 into 14, it is equals to how much we are getting? 1750. Okay, what we are getting the answer over here? 1750. 1750 Newton meter means the fourth option is correct. Now let us go with the next question. The torque transmitting capacity of hollow shaft of same weight when compared to solid shaft. Now what we are taking over solid shaft and hollow shaft, and we have taken this part as same weight. So if you are taking this solid shaft over here, okay, what we have taken, solid shaft we have taken over here. So if you are taking this part means now we are having the stress over here, shear stress we are having, and it is maximum at the top part we are having outer surface, and it is 0 at the middle center we are having it as 0 for solid shaft. This is solid shaft we have taken. Okay, now for hollow shaft, if you are taking hollow shaft over here, now what is happening? So if you have taken this part over here, now we are having maximum at the outer surface, but at center we are not having any shear stress over here. Okay, minimum at the inner surface, maximum at the outer surface, but it is not becoming 0. As it is not becoming 0, what is the meaning of this part? Means this is hollow part we have taken over here, hollow part. Now what is the meaning of this part? Means ZP. What is the meaning of ZP we are having? Z means section modulus. Z means what? Section modulus. And Z, it will be always representing strength. It is always representing what? Strength. Now what is the meaning of ZP we are having? ZP means polar section modulus. Polar section modulus. So what will happen? This ZP value, polar section modulus value of the hollow shaft will be greater than the solid shaft. So whenever we are having ZP value or polar section modulus value of hollow shaft, it is greater than the solid, then the strength will be more. If the strength is more, what we can write over here? Therefore, torque transmitting capacity of hollow shaft is more. Okay, it is greater than the what? Solid shaft. So which options are given over here? Equal, less, more, 0 means the third option. Okay, third option is correct. Now let us see the next question over here. The power required to transmit a torque of 600 Newton meter at a speed of 700 RPM is. Okay, now what we have to find over here? Power. So in the same topic we are having the power formula. Power is equals to 2 pi nt divided by 60. Okay, what we are having? 2 pi nt by 60. Now let us substitute the value. It is equals to 2 we have written as it is. Pi means what we are having? 22 by 7. Now before substituting this pi value also, first check the options. If in the options directly pi is given means no need to write 22 by 7. If pi is not given means then we are writing it as 22 by 7 over here. Into, now what is n value we are having? N is a speed 700. So we are taking 700 into, what is T we are having? T means torque, we are having it as a 600. Okay, now divided by, into what we are having over here? 60. Means 0 0 gets cancelled. 1s are 10s are we have taken, 7 1s are 0 0. Okay, which is equals to 2 into 22 means what? 44, and we are having it as 10 cube, and the power units will be what? Watts. Now options, if you are seeing the options over 0.77, 0.7 kilowatts, watts is given, watts, kilowatts is given over here. Okay, so as we already know, this option 1 and option 2 is getting cancelled over here. For confusing purpose, it is given 44 watts and 44 kilowatts over here. So whenever we are writing this part, what we got the answer over here? Watts. In watts we got the answer. So then we are writing this part as 44. 10 cube means what we can write? A kilo. So we are getting the final answer as a 44 kilowatts. 44 kilowatts means let us go with the option number 4. So with this we have completed all the previous year questions of the Ecet examination of the topic torsion in shafts. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much guys for watching this video till the end. Definitely this video has been improvised your subject knowledge and definitely given you an idea about how the previous Ecet examination question is getting up here. Again one more time guys, ee video ni meeru nachite kachithanga like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates guys. అడ్మిషన్స్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈసెట్ 2024, ఈసెట్ 2025, ఈసెట్ 2026 ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ ఈసెట్ కోచింగ్ అనేది ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ new batches is going to be started guys. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Download the app saimedha.in. మీకు ఏ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మన స్క్రోలింగ్ లో ఉన్న మొబైల్ నంబర్స్ కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి. Join now in Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. Thank you very much. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off.